Great morning student. Hope so you are fit and fine at your home. Today we are going to discuss our chapter number 7. This is second part of our video. Our chapter name is linking data and spreadsheet. So that is our 10th class lesson and that is from the part B. Okay. So in Word Microsoft, that is a Microsoft Excel we use, and in OpenOffice, that is OpenOffice Calci we open. Now in this video we are going to discuss creating reference to other workbook and second is hyperlink. So in this video we are going to discuss these 2 points. So first point we are going to discuss creating reference to the other work. Before this topic we have discussed creating the reference in worksheet. What do you mean by worksheet? Worksheet is a collection of row and column, that is the worksheet, and workbook, that is a collection of worksheet. Okay, so at the time we are creating the reference other workbook. So the process of linking data of the cell in different workbook is the same as describe the different sheet in the single workbook. Means हम क्या करना है, ये क्या है, मतलब एक तरह से लिंक करना है डाटा को एक वर्कबुक में. वर्कबुक क्या होता है? कम्बिनेशन ऑफ वर्कशीट. सो उसमें हमने दूसरी वर्कशीट को लिंक करना है. दैट इज़ द लिंकिंग ऑफ workbook. So creating a reference to the other workbook, follow these 2 way to link the content different workbook using keyboard and using mouse. So same step we follow in our worksheet and same are using keyboard and key. Now when you create the reference to link the different workbook, the following syntax is used. Means इसमें when we using the keyboard then we type the manually all the syntax. So that is the link, path and file name and has sheet name dot cell address. The syntax has the 3 part. Syntax के पास क्या है? 3 parts हैं. First ही है file name, that is the file name. Second is sheet name and after that cell reference. Reference cell address means cell का क्या address है जो हमने reference के through हमने use करना है. That is the using keyboard we use. Path and name in is within a single quotes. जो path है, जो हमारा फाइल का पाथ है वो सिंगल कोट्स में इंक्लोज होता है. एंड स्टार्ट फ्रॉम द 3 forward slashes. There are the 3 forward slashes in this and the sheet name then followed by the sheet, जो sheet को follow करते हैं, and cell reference, that is the cell address. Now next is using a keyboard. Using a keyboard examples here, Rohan has maintained the data of the 2 accounts, Yes Bank and SBI Bank, in the different worksheet, workbook 1 and workbook 2, and he want to calculate the sum of enter data in a workbook 3. मीन्स 2 बैंक का डाटा कम्बिनेशन में हम 3 वर्कशीट में वर्कबुक में अप्लाई करेंगे. यूजिंग द कीबोर्ड यू कैन सी देयर इज अ येस बैंक एंड देयर इज SBI Bank and third is our collected data. So steps we follow. Firstly open the that workbook where you want to link. Okay, now next first step is click on the cell where B2 you want to insert the reference and type the sum. So this type of formula you write in the workbook and workbook 3. Next is press enter, you will get the result. You can see in this image there is a 2 bank Using the mouse. Using the mouse, these steps we follow. Firstly, open the spreadsheet where you want to insert where you want to set the reference. Then switch the sheet workbook sheet 1. 3 से हम sheet 1 पे switch करेंगे. Then we go in first sheet where click on the B2 cell. Firstly we write the formula here equal to sum and parenthesis start. Okay, now next step is with the opening parenthesis, click on the window menu and select the sheet to switch into, then select cell address. हम sheet 1 पे जाएंगे. sheet 1 पे जो हमारा sheet 1 पे हम येस बैंक पे गए, यहाँ पे हमने रेंज सेलेक्ट करेंगे which thing we want to enter. So firstly we click here. After that this address will become. Okay, after that next then press the control key when you want to combine your sheet. Then firstly click on the control key and set the reference, and so on. We go in second sheet SBI Bank and then click of this cell. After that this address also will come to combine. After that you can see this address will become on your third sheet. Close the parenthesis. When you close the parenthesis, then this result will be come. You can see you get the result here, a combination of first Yes Bank and SBI Bank total amount. Okay, so hyperlink. So next topic is our hyperlink. Hyperlink is a colored and underlined text graphic that you open a file location in the file web. मीन्स कोई भी वेब पेज होता है उसमें कोई भी टेक्स्ट अगर हाईलाइटेड होता है तो दैट इज हाइपरलिंक. ओके, विद द हेल्प ऑफ हाइपरलिंक द यूजर कैन जंप द स्पेसिफिक इंफॉर्मेशन. किसी भी इंफॉर्मेशन पे जा सकते हैं. फॉर एग्जांपल इंडेक्स. टाइप द हाइपरलिंक. देयर आर द टू टाइप्स ऑफ हाइपरलिंक, रिलेटिव हाइपरलिंक, एब्सोल्यूट हाइपरलिंक. Relative hyperlink is a link that contains the address that relative to the address of the file destination. सिर्फ इसमें relative to file का address होता है relative reference में. It hold only partial address होता है. For example, capture.jpg. So that is the example of file. Okay. Now next is absolute reference. Absolute reference contain the complete address. Hyperlink contain the full address of the destination file or a web page. You can see that is a full address of the file. Now inserting a hyperlink means how can we insert the hyperlink in our file. First step, bring the mouse pointer to the point where you want to insert the hyperlink. सबसे पहले आपके अपने माउस के पॉइंटर को आप प्लेस करोगे. After that you can insert your hyperlink. Next, select the text that you want to put as a hyperlink. You can see in this picture there, when you click on hyperlink, then this type of dialog box will be come. Insert option, hyperlink from the menu bar. This type option will become. There is no need to internet. If you want to link your document, then you can select your document. If you want to internet, then you can use internet. Which type file you want to link, then that type file you can use. Okay, now hyperlink dialog box, that is, it contains the following category: internet, mail files, documents. So which thing you want to insert, then you can apply. Select the query required category, create the hyperlink and click OK. जिस भी कैटेगरी को आप फाइंड करना चाहते हो, सपोज करो इंटरनेट पे, डॉक्यूमेंट पे, मेल पे, you can apply. So I think you understand this thing, and this thing we are going to discuss practically also.